Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional Chronograph 42mm steel on leather strap, reference 311.33.42.30.01.001. I'm going to go through the case, the bezel, the dial, the bracelet, the buckle, the movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. It's as I said earlier, it's made of steel. They do make these moon watches in other materials such as ceramic or gold or titanium, but this one is in steel, and you can tell that by just simply looking at it or checking the reference number on the Omega website, or going to Jazz Time and buying it and looking at it yourself. Okay, so let's take a look at what's next. As I said, the case diameter is 42. That's my thumb to my index finger. And obviously, as you can see here, the dial is black. And it has these sub-dials. These are the chronograph dials. And one of the things that I think is a little bit special about this watch is that take a look at this crystal. Do you see how it's shining light, kind of strange? Well, that's because it's a Hesalite crystal. And you see that? So it's not flat. It's not a normal sapphire crystal. Like old school, they used to do it like this, which it kind of had a bubble, and it's a Hesalite crystal, which actually can scratch, but it's much more scratch resistant, and it's not flat, which kind of gives it like this 3D look. And in my opinion, makes it look much cooler, and they've kind of kept the heritage of the Moonwatch. And if you guys know, the Moonwatch is the first watch to the moon, hence the name Moonwatch. And one of the things that they changed for the Moonwatch that they don't have for other watches is that other sports watches, that this Moonwatch is manual wind. Yes, that's right. You need to manually wind it. How do you do that? That's how you wind it. The caliber is an Omega 1861 movement, and it's a descendant of the caliber that was worn on the moon. And it has a rhodium plate finish. It's not the exact same movement, but it's similar. And you might want to know, how long is the power reserve? Well, it's 48 hours. Okay, so this watch has a chronograph feature, as you see here. This is the start and stop. Stop it, and so this would be, I've been running the chronograph for a while. You can see it's at 31 minutes. This is the second hand over on the left, and this is the hour. No hours have passed. Once I reset it, you'll see this 30 go back to 0. Check this out. 1, 2, look at the right side, subdial. 1, 2, 3, kabang. Cool, right? Well, actually, it was only like a minute that it was running. That's why 30 and 0 are the same, by the way. So, yeah. Okay, and you can tell like which one it is by looking over at the hour, how far it is close. The bottom one is moving toward the 1. Okay, anyways, so that's what this watch can do. Now, the bracelet, as you can see here, is a leather strap. They also make it on a steel strap, and it has a deployment buckle. So you take the buckle, you go like this, you press the two sides, and it clicks just like that. Okay, now as I said, I would try this on and give you my thoughts. Now, for a watch that's that retails for around $5,000, and of which you could buy it for less at JazzTime.com, I really think this watch is it has a great value for what it is. I mean, it's not a for its class, I think it really does a great job. And you know what? It's iconic. I think every guy who's a huge watch collector could try to have this in their collection at one point or another. It's kind of a cool throw around watch that you could wear. It's very sporty. I mean, heck, it went to the moon, so it's pretty hardy. I mean, so it's a very robust watch, and it's iconic. So if you want to buy this watch, please go to jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.